Okay, bro, I'll tell you two simple things about how you can get richer, which are rarely shared by other people. The first is how to get money and multiply money. Many people think that investing can make us rich, but that's not something that can guarantee that you will become rich. Now, if you start investing with little money and you hope that you will become rich, that's a dream, bro. So how do you do it? For those who still don't have income, look for income first, bro. Don't think about the money, but try to take it from an experience and connection point of view. Just think of money as a bonus. And then for those whose income is mediocre, try adding one more job so that your income will increase. You can do whatever job you want according to your ability after you feel that your income is already a lot. Don't use that money for things that aren't useful. You can buy books, online classes, invite your friends to have coffee, and buy tools for you to work so that your work is easier and more effective, and buy quality goods or tools if they are expensive. That's okay, bro, as long as they last long. It will add value to you, bro. And my advice is don't invest outside your brain first, but invest in your brain. You will also understand in the future, bro. So the conclusion is, for those of you who don't have income, looking for any income, as long as it's good once you have an income. Use the money to get money back, especially knowledge, and I'm sure you can do it, bro. Cheers.